Hey friends, if you wish to allow side-loaded apps on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, side-loaded apps means apps which are not on the Microsoft Store. So these apps, as per Microsoft's belief, as per the rules for Windows, they may not be the best applications. Okay, these apps can bring viruses and malware to your computer. So if you want to allow them on your computer, that's okay. Actually, they are allowed by default on Windows computers, not on Mac, but on Windows computers. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab, select advanced app settings, and you'll get this option here, choose where to get the apps. Now the default settings is anywhere because that is what happens with Windows. But if you select Microsoft Store only, it will push your system into a kind of an S mode. Okay, this is what I choose, anywhere. But let me know if there is a comparable app in Microsoft Store. Okay, so this is the best option, because for Windows computers, the whole purpose about using Windows, the reason that Windows is more popular than Mac is because you can download applications from anywhere and it's very easy. Or you can do that in Mac too, but the procedure is way more cumbersome. So you can do it easily with Windows. So you can download it from anywhere, but you should at least know if there is a comparable app in Microsoft Store so that you could download the better and safer version. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.